Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A73, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, you will need one thing, which is this SIM ejector. The device comes provided with it, so you can find it in a box, but considering you might not be able to find it, you can always use a paper clip and it should work just as well. So once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper right side of the device, as you can see right here. And just push it in there firmly and you will see that the tray pops out. And from here you have access to, looks like, an SD tray and a SIM tray. So there we go. So it looks like the SD goes right, or not the SD, the SIM goes right here and SD goes right here. And it also looks like the SD tray, as you can see there is a card right now, but it doubles also, I believe, as a SIM tray. Check it quickly just to be okay, so it doesn't actually, so I was wrong. So there we go. So you place a SIM card and SD card like so. Make sure that they're laying flush and then slide it into the device carefully so it doesn't actually fall out. There we go. And now you should see a, okay, so it needs to restart because we have inserted SIM card. Give it a moment. And you can see that the device is back on, so let's just unlock it. And there it is. I was about to be concerned that there is no pin. And done. There we go. So that is basically how you insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.